So the next most common thing we find with our clients, and they call and say my lift isn't working right, is when they have brought the lift up to vehicle floor level, like we have here, and they press the fold button and the lift hesitates or will not go up. And I'll just mimic that here by putting some pressure on the lift. As you can see, I'm not pushing very hard and the lift is not going up, but the pump continues to run. Now, if I let go, the pump will continue to fold and work normally. And as I said, sometimes it doesn't fold in, like I showed with my hand pushing on with pressure, but it is totally normal. We see this with clients with about 300 to 400 cycles, or around 5-6 months of use of their wheelchair lift. Now, it is normal. It's nothing to be concerned about. It is another safety feature of the lifts. And that safety feature is it prevents the operator from being able to fold the lift with weight on the platform. Now that might be baggage, a wheelchair, a person in a wheelchair, a person with a scooter, whatever you're moving with the lift. And so that safety feature is very critical, and it prevents people and passengers from getting hurt. The safety bypass valve does need adjusting, and from the factory it's set at 75 pounds, and it is totally normal for over time for it to need to be adjusted. And what that will do, it'll increase the pressure of the fold feature with the lift. And once they're about halfway into the vehicle with the lift will continue to do it by itself. Now, if you do experience that, there's a very simple adjustment that can be made. It is a regular maintenance adjustment that is required with the lifts. And although we could show you in this video, MoveMobility would prefer you to call in and have that done over the phone with either local mechanic or your local handyman, or whoever does your service work or handyman repairs around your organization. It's less than a 5-minute phone call with your handyman or service technician, and just need a few simple tools, a socket wrench, and an Allen key to increase that pressure. Again, please call in to our service department, and they'll be more than willing to help you with that. We do like to keep record of what adjustments we have done on the lift, as if we do this procedure incorrectly, it can damage the lift because we are folding the lift too hard into the vehicle.